my... What the heck?
Kenny!
No!
Kenny!
Kayla, get her! Get her, get her, get her, get her. Get her, get her. Come on, that's bad. That's bad. What are you doing? That was...
Guarden todos sus accesorios. Y ahora, de conformidad con las últimas teorías tecnológicas sobre...
Angus.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, 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 hey.
Nothing. I promise. Then let's see those smiles. The only way you're heard about it.
Perdón, ¿por dónde vas con mi chancla?
To be honest, I don't know what happened, but we need a redo.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
I want the other one. He's so over it. Oh my goodness.
Surely that's not just the best.
Look at what did it say?
Oh, wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Gussie.
快乐小狗狗，等一下。哎，
Shake it off, Oliver.
Get the fuck out. Holy shit, bro.
Iona, we got you something. Oh my god! Oh my god! She ate the cup.
We love you. You weirdo.
Oh my.
Oh my god, Pip, look how pretty you are.